Good afternoon everyone. Today we will study multiplication of integers. What is multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition. Means 5 multiplied by 4 is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Means 5 is added 4 times. 4 times we will add 5 and answer is 20. Now what is in case if the numbers are integers, means any number is positive or any number is negative. I told you in case of two numbers, in case of two integers, same sign positive product, opposite sign negative product. Now see class, if we have many numbers to multiply, means we have more integers to multiply. So which sign we will put, positive or negative? How we will check कि हमें कौन सा साइन वहाँ पर पुट करना है, which sign we have to put. As you know, in case of multiplication we have to multiply the numbers. The product will be, in product the number, the product is same, but which sign we have to put, that we have to consider. Now see, if we will count the negative sign, means in the question we will count the negative sign. If the negative sign is even times, we will put the positive sign, and odd times we will put the negative sign. Let us consider this by an example. This is minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 7. Class, listen very carefully. The numbers are even or odd? That was not the matter of consideration. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, even or odd? We have to that is also not the matter of consideration. What we have to see, हमें क्या चीज़ देखना है? Only the negative sign, कि हमारे क्वेश्चन में नेगेटिव साइन कितने हैं. We have to count the negative sign. The answer is 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 7 comes 168. But it is negative or positive. How we will see? By counting the negative sign. 1, 2, 3. Now 3 is an odd number, so we will put negative sign. Now in the next example, I multiplied the same expression by minus 1 also. Now how many negative sign are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 4 times negative sign is there. It means the product is positive. You will put plus sign, means no sign will be there. When the answer is positive, we will not show the plus sign. Now in this question, what we have done, did class, I make this also negative. Now the 4 is also negative. Now count the negative sign. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have 5 negative sign. So your product will be a negative. Means minus 168. So this is a very important rule for the multiplication of integers. You have to take very carefully ki which sign you have to put, and do it very carefully. Understand this very well. Keep revising this. Now next comes to the properties of the multiplication. As we know, the first property of integers is the closure property. We have done it in addition also. Now what is the closure property? If we are multiplying two integers, the answer must be an integer. Minus 7 is an integer, 8 is an integer, minus 56 is also an integer. So we are multiplying the integers and we are getting answer as an integer. So what we will say, multiplication of integers holds closure property. Now the second property is commutative property. Commutative property में हम क्या देखते हैं? Order. Means हम अगर फर्स्ट नंबर को सेकंड प्लेस पे लिखें और सेकंड वाले को फर्स्ट प्लेस पे, उसके ऑर्डर को चेंज कर दें, पहले को दूसरे नंबर पे, दूसरे वाले को पहले नंबर पे, तो हमारा आंसर चेंज होगा या नहीं? सी 7 5 इज 35, 5 7 इज ऑल्सो 35. मीन्स आपका ऑर्डर मैटर नहीं करता है. आप कोई भी नंबर पहले या बाद में आप इसमें लिख सकते हैं जब आप मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे होते हैं. इट मीन्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ इंटीजर्स इज commutative, holds commutative property. The next property is associative property. In associative property, what we will do? We will make the groups. Now we will see कि ग्रुप चेंज करने से हमारे आंसर्स चेंज होते हैं या सेम आएगा. In case of addition, our answer does not get changed. So we will set there कि addition of integers holds associative property. In case of subtraction, we are getting different answers, and we have said कि subtraction of integers does not hold associative property. But here what we will see, when we multiply 3 and 2 first group of this number, we are getting minus 30. And when we make the group of 2 and minus 5 first, we multiply 3 multiply by minus 10 minus 30. The answer does not get changed. So what we will say, the multiplication of integers holds associative property. Now what are the other properties? See. Multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity is 1. Why 1 is called the multiplicative identity class? When we multiply any number by 1, does the value change? No, the value remains same. 5 remains 5 and minus 7 remains minus 7. So what we will say, 1 is the multiplicative identity. उससे मल्टीप्लाई करने से नंबर की वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होती है, उसकी आइडेंटिटी चेंज नहीं होती है. Now the next is the distributive property. Distributive property, 5 is multiplied by 8 plus 2. 5 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है 8 plus 2 से. तो what we will do? We will distribute it. Now how we will distribute? 5 is first multiplied by 8 and the same sign will come here afterwards. And next 5 is multiplied by 2. If here is a minus sign, we will put minus sign here. 5 multiplied by 8 and then 5 multiplied by 2. And what we will say? Distributive property of multiplication over addition. जो भी sign यहाँ पर होगा, addition है तो addition, subtraction है तो subtraction. This property is called distributive property of multiplication over addition. Now what is the property of 0 in case of multiplication? When you multiply any number by 0, what you will get? 0 always. Either the number is positive, negative, small, big, very small, but it becomes 0. So the property of 0 is it makes the product 0. Now let us start the exercise. And the first question is of true and false. You have to state the statement is true or false. Now look at the first. The first one is the closure property of integers in multiplication does not hold good. Closure property क्या थी कि when we multiply two integers, we get an integers. Every time we are getting the integer, है ना? We know very well कि multiplication of integer holds closure property, and here it is written not good. It means the statement is false. The next is integers are commutative for multiplication. Yes, so this statement is clearly true. Now integers do not possess the associative property of multiplication. No, the statement is false because here it is written do not, and we are knowing that multiplication of integers holds associative property. So what we will write? The statement is false. The next is 1 is multiplicative identity of integer. Yes, as I told you just now. So the statement is true. When any integer is multiplied by 0, the product is not always 0. This statement is clearly wrong because we are knowing whenever we multiply any number by 0, the product will be only 0. 0 ही answer आएगा. And here it is written not. So this statement is false. Now look at the question number 2, which is of the product. What we have to tell? Find the product. Very simple class, as you know, हमें multiply करके ही अपना आंसर लिखना है. But we have to take care of the sign. Which sign we have to put? Now see class, 25 multiplied by minus 15. How many negative sign are there? Only 1. So 1 is an odd number. Which sign we will put? Minus sign. The next is minus 320 multiplied by minus 5. We will multiply these two. The answer will be 1600. But the sign, there are two negative signs, and which sign we will put? Positive sign. 2 is an even number, positive. Here 30 plus 12 both are positive. It becomes 360. Very simple. Now the next is, what is the property used? You have to tell the name of the property only. This is like the revision only class. See, 15 into minus 15 is equals to minus 15 by 15. Just the order is changed, और जिसमें सिर्फ order change होता है, that property is called the commutative property. अब commutative property ये किसकी है? commutative property multiplication of integers की. तो commutative property over multiplication. The next is 6 multiplied by 8 multiplied by minus 5 multiplied 8 and 6. इस स्टेटमेंट में इन्होंने यहाँ पर 6 और -5 का ग्रुप किया हुआ है और इस केस में 8 और 6 को ग्रुप में किया हुआ है, -5 को सेपरेट किया हुआ है. तो ओनली द चेंज ऑफ ग्रुप ओनली एंड वी आर नोइंग दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज सेड टू बी द एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी ओवर मल्टीप्लिकेशन. दिस इज नेक्स्ट. 8 multiplied by 8 plus 2. 8 is multiplied by 8 plus 8 multiplied by 2. So 1 times by this number, 1 time by this number. It means this, which is this property I told you, distributive property of multiplication over addition. Now give reasons. Now we have to tell why the sign is positive and why the sign is negative. This is question number 4. Product of -5 multiplied by 6 multiplied by -7 multiplied by 8 is positive. Why the product is positive, class, here? Because the negative sign are 2. Negative sign comes 2 times and 2 is an even number. So the product will be a positive product. The answer is in positive. Now the next is product of -15 into -16 into -17 into 18 is negative. Surely it will come negative because the negative sign are 3 times and 3 times negative sign is, that is odd times, means जो negative sign है वो कितनी बार है आपका, odd number of times. 3 is an odd number, so आपका product क्या आएगी, negative product. यही तो rule है. Now look at the last. This is -8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by -10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by -11 multiplied by 12 is negative. बहुत बड़ा प्रोडक्ट है, बट यू हैव टू काउंट ओनली द नेगेटिव साइन. हाउ मेनी नेगेटिव साइन आर देयर? 1 2 3 and 3 is an odd number. So your product must be a negative product. That is all for today, class. Complete all the 4 questions. We will do the question number 5 tomorrow. Thank you. Keep revising.